Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you saw in the title, we're talking about Truly Beauty. I know I've done a few videos, but let me tell you, I really love their products. Otherwise, I would not continue to talk about it so much. But they did send me a new bundle and a new product that you're going to be able to pick up, and you're going to be able to pick it up today. Fingers crossed this video is going up on the 25th. Okay, dang, I think I'm pushing my palette video a day back again. I'm really sorry about that. But this deal starts on the 25th, so I really wanted you guys to know about it like ASAP. So first off, let me tell you about the new product, and I will have everything linked below, and I'll have a couple different discount codes for you. One for the bundle and then another discount code if you're picking up anything else, which I highly recommend for you to do because the Blueberry Kush body products, oh my god, it's like what I'm living in right now. My skin feels so good. And the Cocoa Cloud Shave Cream, I do have one complaint about that. I need it to be like a gallon size because I love it so much. Like I enjoy shaving my legs, which, you know, is like what is that, you know? So first up, we're talking about the new product. This is the Jane CBD Glow Mask. I am so very excited. I mean, look at the pinkness. Oh my goodness. I've already tried it a couple of times, which you can barely tell, like this is massive. So you're gonna be able to use this for a very long time. But this one has 200 milligrams of CBD in it. I love all their CBD products, so I highly recommend checking all of them out and seeing what's best for you. But it has vitamin A, of course the cannabis sativa, it has caffeine and glycolic acid. So this one's going to smooth your skin, brighten, hydrate, and do lots and lots more for your skin. Now you can see my hair is wet. I am doing like a no makeup evening, and it is time to put this on. So the really interesting thing about this, and I'm going to show you the application as well just really quickly so you can see. You just cleanse and tone your skin like you normally would, and then you apply a layer onto your skin, and you don't have to take it off. You just let it sink in. So first up, let me show you this jelly. Oh, you just want to like dive into it, and it smells so good. It kind of smells like some kind of like watermelon juicy candy. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. So this mask is really good for anyone, but specifically if you have concerns of acne, anti-aging, dullness, like really anything that you want to do to help improve your skin's brightness, clarity, hydration, just so many things. And I love easy masks. Like honestly, sheet masks nowadays get on my ever-loving nerves because they don't stay in place, and I just love that you can just apply this and then let it sink in. That is one of my favorite parts of it, but it feels amazing on the skin. So you don't need a lot, especially if you are wanting it to, you know, sink in really fast. If you're in a hurry, just apply a thin layer and you're good to go. This is gonna last just so long. As you can see, I've already used it like 2-3 times, and I've hardly made a dent into the jar. It's got that really gentle glycolic acid, so you are going to get like a mild exfoliation, but in a super gentle way. It's not going to be irritating, and the good thing about it too, the CBD is going to help to soothe and hydrate the skin. So if you're a person who has really sensitive skin, it's great for you in my opinion. This almost feels like a serum and a mask at the same time. It feels really like refreshing. It feels cooling to the skin, but oh my god, it feels so good. I'm just doing a little pat just to kind of like, you know, help it sink in a little bit, and it feels so good. So I'm just giving you guys a look at my skin. If you have watched any of my videos, you know that usually like touching my skin I turn red, but you can see how calm my skin looks. Like I still have my normal little redness spots here and there, but everything feels really calm. So onto the bundle. You guys, if you watch my other Truly videos, you've already seen the Jane CBD Glow Serum. I have gone through an entire bottle of this already. This is your concentrated serum. So this one's gonna brighten, hydrate, resurface the skin. It'll help to kind of firm the skin as well. 100 milligrams of CBD in this, and the caffeine too just helps boost your skin and make it look nice and glowy. I'm so happy that I have this serum back because I went through it fairly fast. I think like it was my first video that I did about Truly Beauty. I showed you guys the serum, and then before I knew it, I had used it up, which it still lasted probably 2 or 3 months, but usually I am constantly like switching up my skincare and using different products. So if I'm just naturally gravitating towards a product like every single day, that says a lot because I have a lot of options in my skincare routine and my collection. I have so many products. So in the bundle, let me get to the point. So you're gonna get both of these products in the bundle, and it also comes with, which you guys have seen me post countless time, using the little hemp patches, but these are these super hard acne patches. These are so adorable, and their acne patches have actually been one of my favorite things. Lately, my hormonal breakouts have been deeper and more painful, so these I put on usually my hemp ones, but they're both amazing. But because I just had my period, I went through a whole sheet of these. So I had one on my chin. You can still see it's like a little touch of redness right there, but this went away in a couple of days, and these will help to kind of like soothe the pimple, but will also help like pull any fluid out of the pimple. It's like crazy how well it works. So I wear this usually overnight, but sometimes during the day if I'm not doing anything and not wearing makeup, I'll just leave it on all day. Like, let me go ahead and take care of this breakout, and it will usually calm it, soothe it, and it just seems like the breakout was like healed overnight. These are so good, and these are so cute. I also love how tiny this packaging is. Like, it's so slim. That's gonna come in the bundle. I do have a discount code TrulyAW19 if you would like to save on this bundle. And if you purchase this bundle by the 27th, you get those 3 products, but you're also gonna get a couple freebies. Now, they sent me this bag so that I could show you guys. It is massive. So this is their skincare bag. Look at how giant, like I'm having to hold it so far back so that you guys can see it, but it's the skincare travel pouch. And this reminds me of like a men's toiletry kit, but I love this zipper and how you can arrange things. So it's got a giant zipper so that you can put tons of skincare. Like, this stuff fits, and then you could go ahead and fit an entire skincare routine and more. So I feel like this is a really nice travel bag, and they sell these for $99. So you can get this for free with your bundle, and you're also gonna get one more thing, which is so cute. So if you don't like sticking your fingers into products, this is perfect. You get a little gold spoon. I love it. How cute. So I actually have one of these already, and I've been using it for like moisturizers and masks and things like that, but it's so cute. It's so much cuter than like a usual little like spatula that a lot of skincare comes with. So these are like my best friend, and you'll get that free as well. That's gonna be like a great deal, and don't forget I have the code, so everything will be linked below. If you have any like questions, leave it in the comments and I will try to answer everything as quickly as I can. But that's gonna be your bundle. So just like you're paying for these 3 items, you do have a discount code that I'm going to provide down below, so you can use that. And then if you get it by the 27th, you're going to get the bag and the spoon. The spoon is so cute. I love it. Okay, so this is a really good bundle, and my skin feels so good right now. I haven't even put moisturizer on top, and my skin feels so hydrated and comfortable and like bouncy. So I can't say enough good things about Truly. Honestly, you guys know I don't rave about products all the time unless I really love them. So I'm really excited for the new mask, and I think you guys will like it too. So that is it. I just really wanted to share my little skincare bundle with you and give you guys a look at how my skin is looking just using these products, which is crazy. So thank you so much for watching. Definitely be sure to check out everything below. If you have any questions, like I said, just drop them in the comments and I will try to respond as quick as possible, especially if you're interested in the bundle. I try to get back to you super fast. I've tried quite a few of their products too, so if you have questions about other products, drop them down below, and if I can answer any of them, I will. And I appreciate you guys watching. Again, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.